to my future employer. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. By the way, my name is Grace Delanan Tapti and I am 35 years old. I live in Malolos, Bulacan, Philippines, and I am a college undergraduate with a course of Bachelor in Secondary Education major in English. Currently, I am living with my husband for almost 8 years and blessed with three children, ages 14 years old boy, 5 years old girl, and 2 years old boy. I have a work experience in Saudi Arabia and Kuwait. In Kuwait, I have served six members of the family, my two a Kuwaiti employer and their four children, ages 16 years old, 14 years old, 9 years old, and 7 years old. My main duties there is taking care of the children, playing with the children, and doing all around household chores like vacuuming, cleaning the house, ironing, washing clothes, and also cooking. In Saudi Arabia, I have two couple employer Arab and and their two children, ages 6 years old and 2 months old baby. My main duties there is taking care of the baby, giving his milk every 4 hours, changing his diaper time on time, and taking care of him and give him sleep with me. And I also taking care of the children, playing with the kids in the playroom, and I also do all around household chores in the house, like cleaning, vacuuming, washing clothes, ironing, and gardening. If you hired me, I promise to be your best helper. I am trustworthy, I am friendly, I am honest, I am hardworking, I am independent woman, I can do without supervision, and I will promise to obey all your regulations in the house. Thank you and God bless and looking forward to be with your helper. Thank you.